Hello everyone, welcome to Nikki's Arts and Home. Today we are going to be opening up this multimedia art set. This art set comes with 60 premium core colored pencils, 4 premium core metallic colored pencils, 4 premium core neon colored pencils, 24 watercolor cakes, 60 oil pastels, 12 acrylic paint tubes, 2 paintbrushes, 1 learning guide, 2 sketch pencils, 1 color chart, 3 palettes, 1 eraser, 1 sharpener, and 1 wooden organizer case, which is this whole box. So let's hurry and get this open. So we have 2 spheres, 2 locks, and a handle. So let's open this and get started. Oh, so this is the back. Let's turn it over, and here we have the front. Whoa! So we have a learning guide, draw and sketch learning guide. Let's put that aside. We have the 2 paintbrushes, thick and thin, flipped it around, and we have the metallic core pencil, crayons, and non-metallic. Also, with the sharpener, eraser, and sketching pencils. Open up the bottom tab, and we have all 60 of the oil pastels with a lot of the duplicates. The colors inside the watercolor palettes, we have purple, hot pink, light baby blue, neon pink, light brown, dark brown, gray, and black. In the middle, we have some blues, greens, and yellows. And at the top, we have white, hot pinkish red, neon orange, light pink, light orange, light yellow, brown, and neon yellow. Let's put them right back. If we open the learning guide up, we can see that it's in French. Haha, no, we just need to turn it on the other side. Over here, we have shadings of different shapes with the colored pencils and pencils. And down here, we have the color wheel and different tools for this kit. Welcome. Thank you for purchasing one of our Art 101 art sets. Our foundation is based on providing toolkits that explain an artist's approach with helpful hints to get you started with the basics of drawing, sketching, and painting. That's good to know. So I'm going to be testing out all of the pencil crayons and only the pencil crayons. And I'll be showing the pastels and paints up close. Very quickly, we have the unsharpened sketch pencils with no eraser at the top, which is why we have the eraser and the pencil sharpener. First, let's test up these 2 red pencil crayons. One of them is a reddish pink and the other is a reddish orange. Yep, just as I thought. It is a kind of reddish orange and pink. Oh, they also have names. This is Neon Orange, Yellow Cab, Emerald, Neon Green. Yep, this one is surprisingly very bright, just like a neon color. Evergreen, Blue Lagoon and Turquoise, Lavender Metallic and Midnight Blue, Raspberry. This color also reminds me of Hollyberry from Cookie Run Kingdom. Neon Pink, Orchid, Neon Purple, Gold Metallic, Rose Gold Metallic, Grizzly Bear, Dark Chocolate, Silver Metallic, Dove Gray, and Obsidian, just like in Minecraft. So here we have all of pencil crayons, metallic and non-metallic, in rainbow order here on this piece of paper. It was really smooth and nice to color. I love the colors, they were so pretty and nice. But now we're moving on to the paints. So the first one here looks pink, but that's okay. This is Charmin, Vermilion, Lemon Yellow, Chime Green, Deep Green, Sky Blue, Ultramarine, Violet, Burnt Umber, Black, Gray, and the last one is white. Very classic colors. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is the oil pastels. The texture feels very soft and smooth. And if I were to rub it on a piece of paper or wood, the texture would be very smooth and soft, which means that it would smudge very easily. But that's okay. Of course, we have the greens, so I don't really need to show these. And this color, it isn't actually black. It's a very dark blue. Oh, and just to tell you guys something, there are some colors that are in some of the columns. So this is one of them. And the most important, we have the white. I just want to see if it's like a really white, as like white as paper, white as snow. In real life, it isn't that white, but on the camera, it's really hard to see. And this white was already smudged by a blue or something, so you need to be careful when you're trying to color because you don't want these to get smudged. Well, that comes to a close to our video today. Would you guys buy this product? I think it was really nice. I got it for Christmas and it was amazing. I like this product. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and the like so you guys get all the notifications when I post a new video. Bye, everyone!